What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So as you know, the LG V60 is one of my daily drivers, and LG giving gifts that just don't stop. Look, I just received a fresh new update for my LG V60. Man, I'm excited for this. The LG V60 still getting support in 2022. So let's talk about it. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I've been using the LG V60 and I've been having it since release date in 2020. And I've never seen this much support for a device of a company that's been closed since 2021. It's crazy. LG mobile department been closed since 2021, and now we're in 2022 and I'm getting software updates and some major software updates and some bug fixes for a bunch of my LG devices. This is weird. This is what I'm talking about. So the software update that I received for my LG V60 was 74.18 megabytes, and it's for security and system improvements. So LG made a promise in 2021 when they closed their doors that they would give full support for their devices. Now, not every device will have support, but yes, the LG V60, the LG Velvet, the LG G8, the LG V50, and so forth and so on is getting software updates. So this software updates bring in January 2022 security patch. Now, as far as performance, it feels snappier. I've been using it for about 15 to 20 minutes after I got the software update, and it feels really good. I mean, look, it does feel snappier than before. Now, as far as anything else, I don't see no UI changes right now. So it is really refreshing to see LG support their devices even though the mobile department is closed. Now, I have the T-Mobile version of the LG V60. Look, I don't know what other devices will get the software update. What you have to do is you can manually check to see if you have software updates. So go into settings. When you go into settings, go into system and click on Update Center, and then click on System Updates. And if your device is ready for an update, you will see it pop up on your screen. In the last 2 months, the LG V60 have received security patches and a major update when it comes down to the OS. And now I'm getting a software update for security patches and bug fixes and performance enhancements. Think about this. I got devices in my arsenal that's from 2019 to 2020, right? It's not even getting support, not even getting software updates, not even getting bug fixes, and definitely not getting 2022 software security patches. And LG mobile department is closed and they are receiving software updates. This is crazy, but I love it. I love it because I love the LG V60. And you know what? Not only that, but I love the dual display because it brings a different element here to this device. And I mean, not only that, but I mean, wow. Now you can take multitasking to the next level if you got the dual display. I got a lot of videos here on this YouTube channel about the LG V60. So check it out and subscribe. And I will update you guys with further videos. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG V60 and 2022 software updates for this device. See you guys on the next video. Woo! Peace.